Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Amazing Online Finds. Today I'm back with a new video and this time I have ordered from the Ember website. So let's unbox this and see what I have ordered. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that you are notified of all the videos that I post, and also click on the bell icon. So let's unbox this and see what I have ordered. This is directly I have ordered from the Ember website. I'll share the link in the description box and in the comment as well. This is from the website Ember. Such a nice packaging. And this is the bill. I'll tell you the price. Wow, they have very cutely written here, a pan your mom would approve of. Good looking, hard working, non-toxic. So cute. Oh wow, so along with the pan they have also given us this beautiful spatula. This is a wooden spatula which you can use with the pan. So pretty and so premium. It's very beautiful and it's very sturdy as well. Here also they have mentioned Ember. Very premium finish and very premium quality spoon. This is again a packaging. Packaging is quite premium, I must say. And wow, they have also given a sponge to wash the pan. This looks very sparkly, very nice. This is, they have mentioned here, it is Ember Gentle Eraser. Dampen the eraser, squeeze out the water, and gently clean your pre-soaked Ember cookware to remove stains. Wow, so this is specially for the pan. This is very nice. I guess I have to educate my maid to use this whenever I will use the pan. This looks quite cute. Grayish color, sparkly sponge, gentle eraser. Next we have is this. This is an information booklet, I think. No, it has some license number, SGS. They have mentioned it does not contain any PFAS and no heavy metals detected. And this was issued on 6th of July 2024. Okay, so they have also given us 5. Here is a QR code. They have also given 5+1, that is 6 years warranty on this Ember cookware. And I have to register the product by scanning the QR code, and then I'll get 1 year additional warranty. This is amazing. Next, oh wow, this is Ember, the way to a pan's heart. This is the cute information booklet. They have written here, at Ember we are on a mission to eliminate toxicity from your home. Our cookware is made from the derivatives of sand and clay, designed to raise the standards of your kitchen and make your life easier. So some instructions they have given here. It works best when with medium low heat. So you can't place it in a very high flame. Medium low heat you have to use this. You have to hand wash this. I guess this is not dishwasher safe. Wooden or silicone spatula only, no spill spatula. So on the pan we only have to use this wooden spatula that they have given, that they have provided. "90 seconds max preheating." So preheating also we have to do for at least 90 seconds. Do not store acidic food for a long duration on the pan. Do not clean with okay. So baking or citric soda you don't have to use. It is stove and induction safe. High alkaline detergents you don't have to use that to wash. Use neutral mild detergent, and there is no residue on the surface after use. Avoid placing the cookware in the freezer. Okay, you also don't have to place this in the freezer. And avoid stacking of pans to avoid scratching. So I guess this needs a lot of care. So many instructions they have given. So before cooking they have given some instructions that you have to have a good hand wash. Wash your pan with warm or room temperature soapy water, mild detergent. Then towel dry it with a soft towel which is non-abrasive. And while cooking, overheating it can damage the coating they have mentioned, so never use very high flame, medium to low flame. If you have to preheat for only like maximum 90 seconds, but below 90 seconds only. Metal utensils with rough pointy edges can scratch, and that is why never use a steel spatula, only use a wooden spatula. Oil sprays or cooking aerosols may compromise the natural slickness, so never use these other things they have mentioned. Sorry. After you are done, they have mentioned you have to cool down the pan. Immediately you don't have to wash. Let it cool down at room temperature, and then hand wash with the gentle eraser that they have provided. Do not use any other sponge. So special care needs to be taken. Also they have mentioned SOS. In any event, say for example you spill some oil on the surface or on the outer surface, you have to wipe that grease or oil, then only you use it, else it will become very difficult to remove, they have mentioned. Keep it spotless by using a mild detergent and a soft sponge. Instructions are very important though, okay? Because if you don't follow the instructions, then this expensive pan, it will get scratched, and then what is the point, right? So proper care must be taken. Now let's unbox the pan and let's see. Wow. So this is the pan. And you can see the coating. This is this grayish coating, and yes, it is non-stick. And here there is the company logo, Ember Cookware, made in Italy, they have mentioned. This handle is stainless steel, and on the handle also they have mentioned Ember. And this is 24 centimeters dimension pan. Let me tell you the price of this pan. So I bought this at a price of 2,543 rupees. So along with some GST and other taxation amounts, so the total cost of this pan is 2,850 rupees. So quite expensive, but as I have seen so many reviews of the pan that this is one of the best used, without any oil. It is good non-toxic material and non-stick pan. So you don't have to use any kind of oil or butter or anything, and nothing will stick on it. You can use it for dosas or omelets or moong dal chilas or besan chilas or crepes, if you like, or even if you can use this for making pancakes, and nothing is going to stick on it. I will also make a demonstration video of the pan, and this comes in a variety of shades, and this is the olive green color. Looks quite fancy and very premium. So let me know in the comment section if you like this video, and if you want a link to buy this product. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you back in my next video. Till then, bye bye.